get crashed.
Before it actually happened.
On August 28th, there's some clue to how the next person can die.
What do you mean, the next person?
Get ready. I think we can stop it. The ultimate 3D.
Wow.
Look out. The final destination. Take your trip in 3D to the Inside Theater. On DVD August 11th, Before Peter Says I Do.
Sonny, turn off the light.
Why?
'Cause I can't get a good picture.
Ice cream.
Well, just turn it off.
On DVD and Blu-ray August 11th. Most Canadian want you to win a trip.
Honey, can you get me some?
Summer's ultimate after party. Enter at westmusic.com. Must be legal for games. No purchase necessary. Summer is short. Molson Canadian Mega Day wants to help you get the most of it. Go to megacade.ca for the hottest summer events and find out about taking tickets to summer's ultimate after party. Everything you love about summer, one more awesome time. See the summer. Must be legal for games.
Is there ice cream salsa?
Incredible!
Huh?
Want to turn your mobile phone into an X-ray
Why?
scanner? Just send a text message with X1 to 65555.
It's in the small
Get ready
fridge.
to amaze everybody.
It's in the corner.
Text X1 to 65555. Or get the super addictive Family Guy game on your cell phone. Play now. Simply send X2 to 65555. Or visit Jamster.ca, choose other products and subscribe for only 10 Canadian dollars a month. To opt out, send stop to 65555.
Graduation day!
Everyone say overpriced college education.
I have an interview at 10 o'clock.
Supposed to be mine, but I only had two.
PhD is pregnant.
2 out of 18 or
You're
whatever.
supposed to come back with wearing less than this.
On August 21st,
You know what you want to do. Go after it.
look for a
This
job.
is what I love. This is what I'm good at.
Look for love.
This song is for someone I care about a lot.
Find yourself.
No matter where you are, you're gonna knock them dead.
Alexis Bledel, star of the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, post-grad. Everywhere August 21st.
Lightning is so cool.
Mommy just claimed it.
What?
Dreaming of booty perfection that is Kim Kardashian? Well, look no further. Sarah Taylor and her booty trainer are showing you 5 exercises that are going to enhance your behind. That is Monday on MOD. Season 3.
I remember that.
What crew are in the house? Check it out, the scorching hot season 4 premiere of America's Best Dance Crew. Next up is an all-girl crew that came together from all 4 corners of the world. But we caught up with We Are Heroes right here in Los Angeles.
We are heroes, and we're from Los Angeles. Being on America's Best Dance Crew is just like we're about to show something new that nobody's ever seen before. Clubbing is a freestyle form of dance.